In this lesson, we're going to add 2 extra notes to our 5-note box so that we now have a 7-note box. Now, as you're going to see, these 2 extra notes add a completely different dimension to the sounds that you can get, and I think you're really going to enjoy them. So in this lesson, all we're going to do is learn the 2 extra notes to make up our 7-note box. And we're going to memorize that box, we're going to memorize our new 7-note box, and then we're going to move on to the next lesson. So let me just show you where the 2 extra notes are, okay? So first of all, we want to know where our 5-note box is. There's our 5-note box, okay? The first of our extra notes is actually going to be right next to our very first note on the 5-note box, which is right here. All it is the 10th fret. I'm playing it in this case with my ring finger, but you can play it with your middle finger if you want, like that. I would suggest though that you play it with your ring finger, and you'll see why in just a moment. So anyway, the first extra note is on the G string on the 10th fret. Okay? So now this gives us 6 notes. So if we were only going to play with these 6 notes, we would have this. Okay, there's the extra note. Now let's add our last note, or our 7th note. And the 7th note is actually going to be on the 7th fret right here on the high E string. Sounds kind of funky now, but just wait till we play it with music, okay? So let's go over all 7 of our notes. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now some students will ask me if they need to play these 2 notes with one finger. It doesn't really matter. You can play it like this if you want, or you can just play it like this if you want. For right now, it's not really that important. Whatever is most comfortable for you right now is what you should do. So here's our 7-note box. And then you should also be able to play it backwards. Okay, that's it.